Alright, this video is going to show you how to update the blog content on your website. So by default, you'll have 3 blog articles and they're just made up. So I mean they're good content. Best fish recipes makes a lot of sense, although it's spelt wrong. Best in quality fresh meat and seafood is grammatically a bit weird, but that's not the point. We'll have a look at these articles. They're just walls of text at the moment. So what we're going to do in this example is I'm going to delete 2 of them because writing a blog article takes a long time and you'll want to start with one. We're going to update some of the details of the article and then maybe put an image or 2 in here. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is come into Prismic. That's where your content is managed. And by default, you'll be met with this screen. So you'll want to look for collections. And it'll automatically come up with articles which will filter by blog posts, and you'll see the 3 posts here. So I'm just going to delete these 2 by clicking on them. Can I do it from here? I might have to go into them. I'm going to shift click to select, escape, deselect. I can't do it from this menu. I'm going to have to go into them and delete them manually. Okay, so deleting is actually not what we need to do here. We need to archive these posts. So I've archived one of them. We're going to archive this one as well. So just click on the checkbox, and then this little book-looking icon up here says archive. Click on that, and then the post is archived. So if you need to go back and dig around and find it, you can actually do that. But for the moment, we've taken it out of the equation. So next up, we're going to come in here and edit some of this content. So I'm just going to take this image out because we don't really need him in there. We'll change the date to today. So it is 30th of May. So the content is fine. It's a fake article, so it kind of doesn't matter. But I'm gonna chuck an image in here. Just to make it look a little nicer. So chuck a nice picture of a dog in there. You'll want to update this field. The alt text is an important SEO field, so we'll call this fresh fresh dog. That's probably not politically correct, is it? All right, we'll say fresh meat for your dog. That's probably a bit better. Okay. Okay, the rest of this is fine. I'll just show you how to do some formatting. So let's put another paragraph in here, which you do just by hitting your return key, and then we'll italicize the first sentence. So you can do that by hitting Control and I, but if you don't use the short key, you can come up here to the what you see is what you get editor, hit the italics and hit the bold. We can change it to a headline, but I don't actually want to do that, so I'll come back in here and change this back to normal text. Maybe we'll make this headline, maybe we'll make this headline into an H3 or maybe an H4. Okay, doesn't look, oh, that didn't work. Let's try that again. There we go, H3, worked that time. Okay, so that's fine. There's plenty of spelling mistakes in here, as you can see, grammatical mistakes. We'll go to the SEO tab and make sure that the description, best fish recipe, we'll call this best fish recipes for your family in 2021. This description will come up in Google when people are searching for fish recipes, and then we'll add an image in here. Again, we'll add our little friend in there. So that's pretty much it. You can come through and delete all of this content. I would recommend that. And then write a bit of an article about what's going on with your business, just to update anyone who lands on this page. This is a good way to keep people interested in who you are and what you're about, any updates that are happening with your business. So that is updating a blog article.